Oh no, the mass extinction is near. What should we do?
I guess we're going to die forever.
Wait. I made this potion just to survive the extinction. Here.
Wow, that's cool.
We should use it now, but only one of us can drink it.
Maybe I should drink it. Looks like I powered up. I'm sorry, guys.
Oh no, the mass extinction is happening.
We're going to die.
Wait, what just happened? No, it can't be. My friends,